So this is part one of the. This is great. We're trying to get our friend that's right here. You see him right there, next to 72. And where are we? We're right here. We're in the bigger vehicle. There is 4 tornadoes around him. This is not good. By the way, Mason, say hi. The code. Oh, it won't let you move. Frick. There's a tornado right there. Look to your side. I'm driving. Wait up. Wait up. It's not letting me start the vehicle. Okay, here we go. Okay, tell me, direct me where I need to go. Which way?
You want to go inside a tornado? Or
no, we're going to help our friend.
I don't see him on the thing. But look.
Oh, he's not. Oh, he glitched out.
He's not.
He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
Okay. Well, it looks like we're about to go inside a tornado, boys and ladies. Most likely more boys inside of this video because it's kind of more of a boy thing, but yeah.
Guys, we don't have
by the way, the code that we chase inside of every day is CT44S7.
It's C.
I already said it.
Let me drive right there.
I'll let you drive in a minute, okay? We're in the tornado warning. Okay, so.
Yeah, you don't turn right.
I know what to do. I'm the owner of our clan. If you want to join the clan, join the code and then ask me. I'll show, we'll do some kind of thing with all the people. We'll do like a vote, kind of. And we'll see which tornadoes you've captured. I'll ask you, like, which cape you've had the most of, and stuff like that. We'll do a meeting with like all the people that we have in this map, and then, or this code, and then we're gonna pick out whoever has the best cape, whoever has caught the most and strongest tornadoes. We're about to be inside this thing. Who's been inside of it?
Yeah, and make sure you guys do not lie to us.
If you lie, which way is it coming? I'm scared, kind of. Which way is it going? Wait up. Oh wait, we're good. Wait, never mind, we're not good. Which way is it going? Oh no, we're not good. It's coming towards us. Wait, there's 2 of them. You see that? There's 2 tornadoes. One there and one there. I think they're both coming towards us. What is sucking me in? Mason? Something was sucking me in. I was not touching the pedal, man. It literally like sucked me in backwards, kinda. I don't know.
Wait, stop.
What the freak? Oh, I think it's because of the hill.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it's coming straight at us. I need to get up that hill. Try not to roll down it again.
Make sure you do not fall like I did last time.
Come on. And stop.
Pretty good.
Okay. I'm gonna deploy. Get out. I'm deploying. Get out and place down your probes. Let's see if it's gonna shift or it's gonna come straight at us. Wait up. Which way is this one going? It's not coming at us. It's going, like, at us, but to the side. So pick up your probes and we need to go. Like, I know where to go. It's just, it's not coming at us. It's kind of going to more side. I mean, it's still coming at us. It's just, it's going to the side more. Sorry about the lighting. It's not the best. Oh, there he is.
I don't know what's going on. Everyone's on. Like, everyone's on the TVs and stuff that is going wrong. Now I can't even get on at first it wouldn't even let me on the game.
Dang.
We're trying to
Can
catch
you
this
get on?
tornado, so.
Yeah.
I'm getting on right now. I'll be right back. I need to go use the...
Is it lifting?
Is that one lifting? No. But the one behind it is lifting. I don't think we're gonna catch this one. It's very far away. It's only F3. I can tell by its size. Do you know what? Oh, it's lifting. Okay.
No, we gotta put in the dang thing. And
77. That way. Okay.
what's the code?
Code is CT.
T
No, CT.
CT
46
46
S7.
S7. Play. I don't know why it made me do it again.
I don't know either. So this tornado has to be right there. Oh wait.
Should have already had it saved. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 tornadoes on this map. Where are you? Are you close to Starbuck?
Me? No.
Yeah.
I'm in the
Where
mid.
are you?
I'm chasing these tornadoes with Mason right now. He's in my car.
What's the closest place you are?
The closest?
Closest place I can. Yeah, the closest place I can.
I say head to Vanqua, okay? Head to Vanqua.
It's Borgia.
It's
Vanqua. Head to Vanqua and then
It's what? I don't know what you're saying.
Vanqua.
Borgia.
One Kia.
Uh-huh. It's VIOUA.
I'm trying to find that. V-I-R.
Not B, not B,
Q.
not B.
What's it start with?
V.
A V, okay. That place. There's 3 places. The gas station,
V.
the middle,
Yeah. Go to the gas
the
station.
gas. Okay. If you want to find me, I'm at the gas station there.
Okay. We're literally there.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Why won't it let me get out my thing to get my car?
I don't know. Because your game is glitchy.
It won't let me get nothing.
Your game is glitchy. Is that a tree in the road? Oh no, it's just a...
Yeah. Yeah, my game's glitchy.
Wait up. Where
Let me
are we?
respawned.
Oh. Let me still go forward. I hear a tornado warning, but I think we're fine right now.
I don't know
He
where.
is literally right there. Yeah, he's right here.
Hello.
Hi. This is not the gas station. What happened to you being at the gas station?
Something. Well, at first it won't show my money and it won't even let me get out my car.
Well,
So,
it looks like you're riding
I
with
had to
us.
respawn, and that didn't work. So my game's broke or something.
It looks like there's a tornado over there. Give me a second. Yeah, there's a wedge
Let me
over
look
there.
at the
I can see
weather.
it. Yeah, right there. You see it?
There's.
Right there. Where my thing is, it's right.
Okay,
Yeah.
now it shows my money. I'm gonna see if I can buy it.
Where's this wedge at? I know there's a tornado literally right in front of us, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, right there, Mason. You see that thing? It's rain wrap, but I can see it sucking up stuff at the bottom. You see that?
I don't.
It's literally right there. It's over this bridge to the side.
Hey, just go in front of it.
I'm trying. It's very rain wrapped.
I need $100,000.
Am I even on the road? I can't see anything, man. Okay, wait up. No, don't deploy. Wait up. I don't even see it. Give me a second. Where are we? Okay, we're there. Why is my map dark? Oh, because it's nighttime. So we're here. The tornado I saw was here. It's here. So. Oh, wait.
Where does it show you on the map?
The purple dot.
Okay, so.
The purple dot.
This is gonna be, sadly, we didn't get you in a tornado tonight. But tomorrow, we'll get you inside a tornado, guys. We'll see.